Okay. Chickens are happy. Woke up this morning and there is no ice on anything. Like all the trees and everything, there is no ice overnight. Not sure what has happened, but the ice is completely gone now. So crazy. Like, woke up to no ice. Happy chickens, huh? Get to get back outside. No ice. Like, no ice anywhere. Nothing has ice on it. Ice completely gone. Nothing. No ice. No power still, but no ice. Even the grass fingers are gone. There's like even the grass fingers are gone. The ice on the grass is all gone. Everything is, there's no ice. This is like too crazy. I mean, there's like your typical ice, but so crazy. Where'd the ice go? Overnight, it's all gone.